What's your name? How old are you? How old are you? 3. Show me how many's 3. Boy, like this. Okay. What are you about to sing? Sing Krusty Krab. Go ahead. Get your hands away from your mouth and sing. Go ahead, go. Like this. Move your hands away from your mouth. Sing it again.
You gotta sing louder.
Yay! Where'd you learn that from? SpongeBob? Okay, say bye.
Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.